ways in which inclusive leadership enables an organization. And in our recent practice, when we were looking at diversity of thought to begin with, the first implication of the entire change is the aspect of really bringing in multiple perspectives into the room. Perspectives which at times one person or one individual who's working on an objective can tend to get missed. Inclusive leadership enables that opportunity to come in flawlessly in an organization setting. And when we're looking at decision making, we looked at all those critical decisions that are taken in the organization, right from what kind of talent needs to be hired, to what kind of supplier needs to be partnered with, to what kind of business model that you want to work with, and imagine the potential of people from different walks of life, from different experiences, from different social backgrounds coming together and ideating together to make the solution happen. So we do have opportunities created in our organization where we have diversified interview panel groups. We have opportunities where we have a diversified panel for looking at partner selection, or we have multiple stage-based approach to ensure that we're not looking at decisions done in the same way, or we're looking at more data-centric decision making, which enables bringing in several diverse data points when it comes to arriving at a particular solution. I think all of these are steps towards making workplace more inclusive. And our endeavor in this direction is to ensure that every leader, depending on whichever level of hierarchy they are mapped to, have a voice and have a say in the entire organization working. And that's the gift of inclusive leadership.